Alright, so in this video, I will walk you through how to remove the tube body in your YouTube, okay? So honestly, I already found great tool for me to help generate keywords, for me to be able to select the best keywords that can make all my videos rank in Google. Alright, so if you want to know more about this strategy to rank my Google, no, to rank my video in Google, you can search on my previous video. Okay, so I'll tell you something about this. Okay, so before removing the tube body, I wanted to show you the content wherein I have been using this platform, and this is amazing because for few hours I was able to earn thousands of viewers. Alright, so as you can see here, bukod sa utos ng Korte Suprema, okay, as you can see, I just uploaded this video today, January 9, 2023. And after I uploaded this video, I already have more than 3,500 views. And this is the date today. So, this video is very updated. Okay, so if you want to know and to check the keywords that I've used in order to promote this video, these are the keywords. And where do I generate these keywords? So as you can see, 18, 19, 19, 19, and so on and so forth. And where do I generate these keywords? I have generated it using ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the ChatGPT keyword search. Okay, so this is now the right time to remove TubeBuddy in my YouTube channel. Okay, so first is go to your picture and go to your channel. Okay, this is the settings. Okay, search on the connected application. See all authorized access to your Google account. If there is here, if there's none, it was here actually. Okay, so these are the third party. Let's check. This is the devices. So, okay, so these are the third party. Okay, so let's try to remove TubeBuddy. Here is the TubeBuddy. Okay, just remove access. Alright, and there you go. I do not have access anymore. So I already removed the access of the TubeBuddy in my website. Okay, so I will just going to refresh this and let's check if it's already been removed in my YouTube channel because I don't need TubeBuddy anymore. Alright, so it was actually removed already, so it was not functioning well. Okay, so let's open. Maybe it will affect it may totally remove from my YouTube channel in the next few minutes or hours. So let's check if I still see tube. Okay, content. Okay, so it was still, so I will just check it tomorrow how many hours it will take before it was totally removed from my YouTube channel. Alright, so that's all. By the way, this is my tutorial on how to generate keywords. Okay, all you need to do is to watch this video. Okay, so as you can see, there's already ads.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so the title of this video is about SEO of ChatGPT. Okay, and this is the ChatGPT. Okay, so that's all, and I hope you learned from this video.